Hi, welcome to the Learn to Solder video blog from ohmyphysics.com, the website featuring math, physics, and engineering hot topics and humor. This video shows an example of how to solder with approximately 1mm diameter wires using a 30-watt iron. We start by stripping the wires. Next, we twist them together by hand. If the pair of wires are too loose, it can be useful to use a pair of pliers to do the twisting. With using lead-free solder and not using any flux. Typically, flux is used to clean the solder joint while soldering. Apply a little bit of solder at the tip where it meets the wires to allow the heat to flow better into the wires. Next, move the solder up the wires, allowing it to flow in between. If your soldered tip becomes dirty, you may gently clean it with a wire brush. It's also very useful to use a damp sponge to clean the soldering iron tip. Apply the soldering iron tip to the wires and allow the heat to flow into the wires. Thanks for watching, and please check out our website, omyphysics.com.